Good morning students. Let's continue chapter 1, that is story of village Palampur. In our previous session we have finished topic till land is fixed in village Palampur. Since 1970 land is fixed, that is 140 hectare under cultivation in village Palampur. Now land is fixed. Is there any other way to increase production if the land is fixed? So our next topic is ways. What are the various ways to increase production in agriculture? Now, under agriculture, area under cultivation is fixed. It cannot be increased. Whatever the wasteland, fertile, that is idle land lying in the village, the entire land is used for cultivation. Now since 1970, area under cultivation is fixed. The next topic is still, is there any way to increase production? Of course, there are two ways to increase production under same land. There are two ways. One is multiple cropping, and another one is modern methods of farming. Modern methods of farming. Now the first one is, that is multiple cropping. Multiple means more than two. The word multiple means more than two. So multiple cropping means on a given piece of land to grow more than two crops. To grow more than two crops. There are two types of season in agriculture, Rabi season and Kharif season. Apart from these two seasons, if the farmers are growing another crop, that is called multiple cropping. As in village Palampur, people are growing potato as a third crop when there is a lag between Rabi and Kharif crops. Rabi and Kharif crops. When there is a gap of 50 to 60 days, people are growing potato as a third crop. That is a third crop. Some of the places, some of the villages, people are growing pulses also. So multiple cropping is on a given piece of land growing more than two crops, like the people of village Palampur are growing potatoes. So in a year, production from the same piece of land increases. That is multiple cropping. Second method is modern methods of farming. Modern methods of farming refers to green revolution. That is refers to green revolution. Green revolution. Now, the word green revolution is a combination of two words. One is green and one is revolution. Green means crops and revolution means spurt or sudden change. It refers to increase in or sudden increase in crop production in the country. In our country, there were two phases. One is mid-70s, that is mid-60s, and mid-70s. Mid-60s means 65 to 75 and 75 to 85. The production of agriculture sector was increased tremendously, particularly wheat and rice. Now this production has increased due to the use of modern methods of farming. Modern methods of farming refers to use of HYV seeds. HYV seeds, that is high yielding variety of seeds. Insecticides, pesticides, fertilizers and use of machinery like tractor, combines, threshers, harvesters, etc. Due to these HYV seeds, insecticides, pesticides, fertilizers and use of machinery, the production of agriculture sector has increased. But there are certain drawbacks also. The next subtopic is, will the land sustain? It means if we are using blindly these HYV seeds, it needs more irrigation facilities as compared to traditional seeds. Use of fertilizers, which contaminates groundwater, though it increases soil fertility, but in the long run, the farmers are dependent on these methods of farming only. That's why the trend of organic farming nowadays is increasing. Clear, students? The topic is multiple cropping and modern methods of farming.